Hi everyone, welcome to the monthly market update. Welcome back to Simon, who's been away on leave. We've missed you, but welcome back. Let's just get straight into it. What is the crystal ball saying about the RBA this month?
Crystal ball. So on the stock exchange website that we look at quite a bit, we're seeing 14% chance that rates will drop at the next meeting, which is pretty low really. So likely rates will stay the same. It certainly seems to be a bit of chatter around, it could be in December that there's a rate drop, but let's see. At the moment at least it's been stable and they haven't been going up.
Which is good news. We're not going up, that's great. What about, let's just say, what are we seeing? Like, it's been a busy month. It's been a busy month, everyone.
Yeah. So we're definitely seeing a lot of buying. So, and in Melbourne in particular, we're seeing people buy much quicker than we usually see. So it seems to be a buyer's market, which is good. It's good if you're a buyer. It's not always as good for a seller because we've had a few people who bought. Well, a lot of people bought in the pandemic years, and some people sold, etc. But depending on where people have bought, if people have bought in Perth or in Queensland or in Sydney, it just depends where. Then the property value might have gone up a lot. But we've certainly got a lot of clients in Melbourne where their property is worth less than what it was 2 or 3 years ago. So that can be tricky as well. So trying to move around that, especially, or we could be refinancing and we've got to do a valuation and try multiple banks to get a valuation we need. So we're certainly seeing a changed setup around the nation. That's a very long answer, but
but a very good one too. In terms of the broking space for us, are we seeing, we've got some new banks which we've come onto our panel, which is exciting.
Yeah. So Bank Australia, so we have a lot of people who ask for a lender that doesn't support fossil fuels, and Bank Australia is big in that space, along with other industries that they just do not invest in. So we've had demand from clients for that, and now we can offer that, which is great. And Bendigo Bank, which is that merger with the brands anyway of Adelaide Bank and Bendigo Bank. So now it's all under the Bendigo Bank brand, which I think is good because most people know the brand and it's a really powerful brand. So I think it helps with what we can offer.
Yeah, absolutely. And in terms of rates, I guess it's something that we should talk about every month. Fixed rates have had quite a shift in the last month or so.
Yeah, so the variable space banks are, there's always differences, but are much more similar to each other. But in the fixed rate space, some of the fixed rates, like 0.7% below other banks. So if anyone's looking at potentially fixing, the fixed rates at the moment with some of the lenders are quite a bit lower than the variable as well. We haven't seen this for quite a while. So there's a big difference between the lenders.
Yeah. And in terms of like a trend, or not so much a trend, but something that we've been experiencing lately in terms of scenario or something that we're helping with, I've had a few calls from people who have called just to see what their borrowing capacity is because they've self-assessed and they don't think that they can borrow or buy at this point in time.
Yeah.
Are you experiencing that as well?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. So the self-assessment, often I think the barbecue, where people have gone to a barbecue and they're talking to friends and the friend is telling them, no, you won't be able to do this, or maybe a brother or sister is saying that. So whenever someone is thinking, I don't think it'll work, I say, talk to us, let us run the numbers. Don't self-assess, this is what we'll do for you. So
for sure.
we're definitely seeing that.
Most of the time, they do get a bit of a surprise.
Yes, correct. And we're very good at jigsaw puzzles, right? If there's an option, and we've got some lenders who are more generous with borrowing than others, then that's what we're here to do, to find an option if we can. But we've got over 30 lenders, so we often can find an option.
That's it. Okay.
I'm good.
I think we're good. I hope you have a great month. We will see you in November. Please reach out if you've got any questions or if you want to just have a chat about your situation.
Till then, thanks guys.
Okay.
Bye.